but most people spend it like they have infinite time. Here's the reality. The average person lives just 30,000 days. That's it. Think about this. If you're 30 years old, you've already used up 11,000 of those days. Gone. Never coming back. I should do it someday. But someday is a dangerous word. It tricks you into thinking you have all the time in the world. In the next 15 minutes, you'll learn powerful strategies to make your time count. Not just managing it, but truly living it. These aren't generic time management tips.
These are deep insights about how life actually works.
Chapter 1. Time Perception and Psychology. Time plays tricks on your mind, and understanding these tricks is your first step to mastering it. Remember when you were a kid? Summer felt endless. A single day could feel like a week, but now years fly by like months. This is the time unit paradox, and it's not just in your head. It's how your brain actually works. Here's the science. Your brain measures time by recording new experiences. As a kid, everything was new, so your brain was constantly recording, making time feel slower. As an adult, routines take over. Same breakfast, same commute, same shows. Your brain literally skips recording these moments. Just another normal day. This is the trap of time blindness. But you can hack the system. Take different routes to work. Learn a new skill every month. Have conversations with strangers. Each new experience forces your brain to pay attention, making time expand again. And here's the biggest time perception mistake people make. We overestimate what we can do in a day, but massively underestimate what we can do in a year. That's why people quit goals too soon. Chapter 2. Priority Management. Most people confuse being busy with being productive. They fill their days with tasks that feel important but don't actually matter. Here's a powerful tool, the deathbed test. Picture yourself at 90 years old. Looking back, will you care about that extra hour at the office or the time you spent with your family? Suddenly, priorities become crystal clear. Successful people understand this. Knowing what not to do is more valuable than knowing what to do. Try the two-list strategy. Write down everything you want to achieve. Now, circle the top 3. Everything else? That's your avoid list. Think of compound interest, but for life choices. Small daily investments in the right priorities multiply over time. But distractions steal your attention. Social media, busy work, constant noise. The solution? Ruthlessly eliminate the non-essential. Your time is too precious for anything else. Chapter 3. Relationship Dynamics. Relationships work like bank accounts. Every interaction is either a deposit or a withdrawal. A genuine compliment? Deposit. Always being late? Withdrawal. And just like real banks, you can't keep withdrawing if you never deposit. Most people focus on big gestures, expensive gifts, grand celebrations. But small daily deposits matter more. A random check-in text. Remembering small details. Being there during tough times. Here's something counterintuitive. Shared suffering builds stronger bonds than shared pleasure. And don't ignore your weak ties, casual acquaintances, and distant friends. They're bridges to new opportunities and perspectives. Want to expand your sense of time? Help others. Giving time makes you feel like you have more of it. Chapter 4. Career and Purpose. Your best career opportunities aren't where you think they are. They're one step outside your comfort zone. This is the adjacent possible, the space between what you know and what you could know. A massive career mistake is optimizing for money too early. In your 20s and early 30s, optimize for learning. Every skill you gain is a lottery ticket for future opportunities. Forget the career ladder. Modern careers are jungle gyms. Sideways, diagonal. sometimes backwards. Comfort is career quicksand. The longer you stay in a role you've outgrown, the harder it is to leave. Use productive procrastination. When you avoid one task, channel that energy into learning something new. Those procrastination projects often reveal your true passion. Chapter 5. Health and Vitality. Health isn't just about living longer. It's a life force multiplier. Would you rather have 8 energized hours or 12 draining ones? Sleep isn't optional. Without it, your decision-making is as bad as being drunk. Morning you makes plans. Evening you has to follow through. Don't let morning you be a tyrant. Micro workouts matter. 10 push-ups, a short walk, 5 minutes of stretching. Movement creates clarity. If you're stuck on a problem, move your body. Chapter 6. Learning and Growth. Want to learn faster? Teach someone else. The teacher effect forces deep understanding. Read biographies. They give you a lifetime of lessons in a few hours. Stay strategically bad at some things. Deliberate amateurism keeps your brain flexible. Constraints aren't the enemy. They're the superpower. And know when to quit. Strategic quitting isn't failure. It creates space for better opportunities. Chapter 7. Emotional Intelligence. Every emotion has a timer. The chemicals behind anger, fear, and frustration last about 90 seconds. After that, staying upset is a choice. You can't control the first wave, but you control the second. Emotional regulation beats raw intelligence in the long run. Avoiding difficult conversations creates emotional debt. The longer you wait, the worse it gets. And gratitude only works when expressed. Unspoken gratitude is value you never withdraw. Most people react. A few learn to think ahead. Every decision is a move. Every move has cost. Choose wisely. If this helped you think clearer, subscribe, drop a like, comment, and I'll see you in the next trip.